We're excited to announce the Center for Student Success, a place where healthy learning begins and passions are discovered. The center will bring together early childhood education, community partnerships, and expanded future-focused experiences for our high school students. Many children in our community start kindergarten having never been to preschool or even the dentist. It's our goal to start changing that because we believe all of our youngest Yellow Jackets deserve a healthy start in life. Our early childhood program has grown significantly in the past several years, but unfortunately, we are out of space at Easter Elementary and have a wait list. Our new Early Childhood Health and Learning Center will give our students more room to learn, develop, and explore, while bringing more little Yellow Jackets through our doors. At the Center for Student Success, young children's medical, nutritional, dental, mental health, social, and educational needs will be met, all under one roof, making these resources more accessible for Lebanon families. Many of those supports will come through a growing partnership with Jordan Valley Community Health. Jordan Valley will have a women's and children's clinic within the center, allowing students to be cared for while at school, so their health needs are always met and so resources are more available for busy families. As we fast forward to our older Yellow Jacket students, community partnerships are just as valuable. In the Center for Student Success, we're excited to expand our partnerships with local businesses and industry to provide high school students with even more immersive workplace experiences, which help students graduate with a clear plan for their future. The Center for Student Success will also be home to the Lebanon Innovative Learning Center, giving students more opportunities to explore, discover, and pursue their passions and interests through GoCaps and other experiences in the areas of business and entrepreneurship, medicine and healthcare, teaching professions, engineering and manufacturing, and culinary arts and hospitality management. These career experiences and mentorships with local professionals will be an investment not only in our students' futures, but also in the future of the Lebanon community and workforce. We're excited for what learning and experiences will look like at the Robert W. Plaster Center for Student Success, and we can't wait to get started.